Meaning of ensuing.
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 Ensuing. The meaning of ensuing is something that follows as a result of a previous event or action. It is often used to indicate the outcome of a specific situation or series of events. For example, if a person makes a mistake, the ensuing consequences may be negative. Alternatively, if an individual creates a successful strategy, the ensuing benefits could be significant. In essence, the word ensuing describes the consequences that occur as a result of a particular action or circumstance.